I'm at the car shop today to pump nitrogen in my tires. Yes, nitrogen, because it's better than oxygen. N2. Yeah, apparently there's like other features like I don't know, you don't have to pump so often. And the best one is you don't pump it yourself. This place is at Sinlan Huat there, before one stop. Hey, don't drive in the hole, don't drive in the hole, don't drive in the hole. Okay, we're good. Yeah, sampai pump nose. Or is it N2? Original is just normal air. Huh?
Oh, okay, normal
Take
air.
out first, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, from flat tire to North tire, or N2 tire.
Yeah.
North and nitrogen not same, right?
Yeah.
So after how long I must check my pressure again?
1 month at least.
1 month at least.
Yeah.
How many PSI now?
36.
36. Nice. It's like $5 a tire. Come here, pump the N2, pump it now. Hey guys, so yeah, when you go to the workshop, it will be super awesome if you could mention that you saw from Lu Jia Chen Photography or Lu Jia Chen or Jack review stuff, or just hele Tenji hele YouTube hele ang kau kong the nitrogen. That'll be awesome because then he'll know it's from me. Price, it's 5 ringgit per tire. Got call Chilenia. Buy it now.